there! Today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service, and I've been doing Stitch Fix for quite a while now, probably over 3 years I think, and I do really like it. And out of all the services that I've tried, Stitch Fix for me is pretty much my favorite, and I'll put some information down in the description box below along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so this month my box is about the same size it usually is, and it's a little heavy. So let's see what I got. Okay, so here is what my box looks like inside. And they always have a packet of information and a prepaid USPS mailer to send any items you don't want back. Okay, and here is a peek at my bundle. Looks pretty good. Okay, so with Stitch Fix, you always get some style cards that help you style all the items. So it's very good for me, and it always gives me outfit ideas. And this month, my stylist is Holly, and I've been really lucky to have the same stylist for almost all of my fixes. I think maybe there were only a couple fixes that weren't Holly. But yeah, so I always request Holly, because if you find a stylist that you really like, always request them. So I'm going to go ahead and read the note, and I'll scan it and put it up above so you can read it too, but I'm going to go ahead and read it. Okay, so it sounds like this is going to be a transitioning to spring fix, which I think is nice. I love spring colors, and I'm happy to see what's going to be new for this season. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, and the first item is this top. And this is by Collective Concepts. And this is the Ohare foil detail blouse in a size medium. Okay, so you'll see it does have, I don't know if it's picking up, there's some foil or some gold, which is very interesting. I don't know if this is exactly spring because it's dark, but I do like this blouse. It's nice. I noticed it does have tab sleeves, and I've noticed that with Stitch Fix you do get a lot of tab sleeve blouses, and this blouse is actually in the color navy, and the cost is $58. So $58 for this very pretty blouse, and I kind of do like the gold detail, but not too sure about the tab sleeves, so we'll see. Okay, next. Ooh, okay, so I got a dress. And this is also by the same brand, Collective Concepts. This is a medium petite, so this is a petite size. And it's the Payton dress in burnt orange, and it's $78. Okay, so $78 for this dress. You know, that's kind of, for me, on the pricey side. It is really pretty. It kind of reminds me of a dress that I just got from my Infinitely Loft. One thing she did mention was this tie sleeve, which I kind of don't care for. I would worry that these ties would keep coming untied, or would kind of just, I don't know, be kind of aggravating. I do have a blouse that I got from another style service that has ties. I've only worn it once, and I really didn't like the ties because it came untied, and then it was really hard to retie them, you know, with one hand. So yeah, so that could be a concern. Okay, next. Got another top, and this is by PAPERMOON, and that's a brand I remember getting like from the very beginning from Stitch Fix, but I haven't gotten too many PAPERMOON things recently. And this is the Karsten square neck mesh knit top, size small, and it is $44. Okay, so this is a mesh knit top. Oh, this is actually really nice, I think. And you see it has this, the sleeves are a little bit sheer, and it underneath it's lined, and it looks like it's some kind of knit material as a lining, so that's nice. And I do like this square neckline. I think that is kind of on trend, but yeah, I actually really do like this blouse a lot. That's nice. Okay, next. Got a pair of pull-on pants, and they're in kind of an interesting blue color. Actually, isn't blue, and I'm not sure if this shade of blue or if it's just any shade, is the Pantone color of the year. Yeah. pretty sure. And okay, these are by Tribal, and they're the Fia straight trouser, size 6, and they're $58. Okay, so Tribal is a good brand. I know I've tried Tribal pants before. I don't think I've ever purchased any, but I like that it has this wide waistband, and I think this should be very slimming. I would be worried that they might be a little long because I don't think this is a petite size. So we'll see. And lastly, I have a pair of jeans. And these are by the brand Can Can. Never heard of this brand. And they're the Brenda button front Capri jean in the size 6, and they're $58. So $58, not a bad price for these jeans. We'll see how they fit. And I don't really have, I don't know, I don't think I have any jeans like this with the buttons in the front. And they do have, they're cuffed at the bottom. And I think they said they're Capri, so they should be on the shorter side. But yeah, these are really cute. And like I said, I'd never heard of this brand. They are pretty thick and stretchy. And there was another pair of jeans, I think it was called Studio Blue or something like that, that I got a few fixes ago, and those jeans are awesome, and I still love them, and I've been wearing them kind of a lot. They're like the jeans that I always reach for when they're clean. They're my favorites. So we'll see. I'm always interested to try different brands, and $58 for a good pair of jeans is not a bad price. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitch Fix this month, and you know, a lot of cute things, and so I'm going to do is try everything on. I'll try to style it according to the style card as best I can with the items that I have in my closet, and we'll see how everything looks. Okay, so here is the first blouse, and this is by Collective Concepts, and you know, it is a pretty blouse. You know, I don't know about the tab sleeves, so I do have now. I've got a bunch of tab sleeve shirts from Stitch Fix. So yeah, I'm not really a fan that much, but I do like the material is a very pretty print, and it has the gold foil. So I think it is very pretty, and it's kind of nice that it's lined, yet the sleeves are a little sheer. So that's a different look. And I just have it worn out like a tunic, but I guess you could also wear it like with a front tuck. And according to the style card, I just have it with some very dark wash jeans. And these are from Liverpool, and I just have some Kohan flats. So yeah, I think it's a nice top. I'm not sure if I'm blown away, but it is pretty. Okay, so now here are the pants from Tribal. And boy, these are really, really soft and comfortable. You know, I didn't think I would like them, but I kind of like them, but I don't know about the color. It's kind of a slate gray, and I tried looking on the style card. She had it with kind of a sleeveless V-neck blue shirt, and so this is the closest I could find in my closet. I don't know. And also there was a striped cardigan, which I couldn't find anything, so I'm just going to go with a plain white cardigan. Okay, so here it is. Here are these pants styled according to the style card with as close as I can find from my closet. But yeah, I like these pants, and they surprised me. I thought they'd be too long, but I think they're okay. And they are comfortable. They almost feel like leggings, but I believe you could actually wear these to work. I'll have to think about these though. Okay, so here is the black PAPERMOON top, and I also paired it with the jeans from Can Can. So these jeans, as you can see, they have this button front, which I think it's cute, but I don't have any jeans like this. It's just because it takes longer to when you go to the bathroom. But I mean, it is cute. I like that they're high rise. I think it's actually very flattering. I'm not sure about the bottom part. It kind of like curves out a little, and where it falls, it's because I don't think these are petite. So on a normal person, they'd probably cut you off here because they're supposed to be cropped. But I mean, it looks okay. I like this top though. I think it's very pretty and it's different. So this is a definite possibility. I like like I said, the square neckline, which I think is in, like different necklines for spring. And yeah, so we'll see. I think so far out of everything, maybe the top is my favorite. So, wait, let me just give you another close-up. So it's like, this is actually embroidered, and it's over a mesh. So, yeah, kind of different. I bet you could also dress this up. You could just wear it with black pants, maybe. And I think that would be cute. So yeah, not bad. We'll see. Okay, so here is the dress. And you know, this is a really cute dress, really pretty. I do like it. It's nice and flowy. It has some waist definition, which is flattering, and it's lined. So just a nice, easy to wear dress. I love the color. It's a very pretty, it's kind of a rust color, kind of a mix between rust and mustard. The one thing, and I think Holly kind of knew, is the ties at the sleeves. So when I was putting this on, one of the sleeves, the ties came out, and I'll just show you, it's really hard, really hard. Oh, actually, maybe it's not that bad to tie. I did tie it. But yeah, I think that is something that could happen. It's a little hard to tie it, but other than that, it is cute. And another thing is that I do have a dress that's very similar that I got from Loft. Okay, let's try it with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is. Looks really cute, I think, with a denim jacket. And this is just a medium wash, cut from the cloth denim jacket. And you'll notice for this try-on, I just basically wore the same very simple necklace today. And this necklace I got from Nordstrom Rack, and it's a Kendra Scott. And I really like this necklace. I think it actually matches almost anything, and it's understated. But yeah, I like this dress, but I probably won't purchase it because I don't like the ties, and I have something similar. But other than that, it looks really cute. Okay, so I tried everything on, and I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I mean, everything looked nice, but you know, to be honest, I do have a lot of clothes already, and I did just come back from outlet shopping, so I am kind of selective, and I usually look for special pieces from my subscription services. So anyway, let's go over the invoice. So the total for this fix was $296, and if I were to buy all 5, I'd get 25% off, and that would be $74 discount, which would bring the order subtotal to $222 if I were to purchase everything. And you know, that's not bad considering there's a pair of jeans and a pair of pants and a dress. But yeah, I'm not sure. I like pretty much everything, but I'm not sure if I loved everything. Out of everything, my favorites were maybe the PAPERMOON top. I liked that. I thought that was very pretty. The tribal pants I did like, but I don't know if I would get a lot of use out of that particular color of blue. The Can Capri jeans I actually liked, and I think $58 is a great price. I would just be concerned about the buttons, you know, but then again, I don't have a pair of jeans with the buttons in the front, so maybe I should just try it and see how it goes. I do go to the bathroom a lot during work. But yeah, I mean, $58, and I did like that they were, I thought they were pretty flattering. I'll have to go back when I edit the video and see how they looked on me. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. And now I'm going to have my 2 furry companions help me say goodbye. Okay, and as you may know, Miss Sammy is recovering. She had injured herself somehow, probably by jumping off the couch, which she shouldn't do. But she is feeling much better, and she's like one of those bad patients that you really have to watch, because if you don't, she thinks she's well, but I don't think she's supposed to be well yet. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I do actually have a fashion coming, and I think another short story. So yeah, so I've got more stuff coming, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.